Imagine what your business would be like if you were bringing in consistent $40,000 to $100,000 plus clients. You were getting consistent $40,000 to $100,000 plus months or even days. Imagine what would change in your business and your life. Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover in this free 2-day VIP Virtual Masterclass. We're going to dive into your business and I'm going to show you how to close gaps so that you can accomplish this. You will be surrounded with other high level expert entrepreneurs who are ready to go all in on their business and they are interested in doing the same thing. We keep the room at a high level, which is why it's by invitation and application only. And if you are someone that feels like I haven't been playing the biggest game that I can, I know there's more for me. I want to get off the revenue roller coaster and grow into those really premium high end months and even days. If that's you, if you're thinking that, then this is for you. I've had people make money right out of my master classes or workshops. Now, look, it's 2 days, 3 hours each day, and I get it's time away from your business, but that's exactly why you need to be there. You need to be working on your business. And in this workshop, in this masterclass, we're going to be working on your business, as well as you're going to be seeing things that are going on in the industry right now that are changing the game for people like you and people like me. So don't miss out. And you will be surrounded by other high level entrepreneurs in this event to collaborate and make some new relationships, maybe even some new partnerships. So if you want to join me and other high level entrepreneurs ready to scale in the room, then here's what you do next. You click the button, you book a quick 10-minute call. We'll get on that call. We'll find out a little bit more about you and your business and meet. It's not a sales call, and we'll go over some details about the event. If this is a fit for you, we will give you an invitation to join us in the room. You will not want to miss this opportunity. So, if you're ready to play a bigger game and thrive in 2025, scaling your business with high end clients, bigger months, and bigger paydays, then we can't wait to talk to you. Click the button now, book that call, and we'll talk soon. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.